What's up guys, this is me Sudarshan and you're watching my channel SJRTD. So today I'll be doing the unboxing of this MI band HRX edition. So as you can see, this is the box of the MI band HRX edition. So it looks really good. It is a small tiny box where we have the picture of this band on the front side of the box. Then as you can see, it is MI band HRX edition, then the logo of MI and some information regarding this band on the back side. So let's unbox this thing. So I have removed this cover. I'll open the box. Let's see what are the box content and the band. So on the front side we have this sensor. Then this is the band. I'll keep it aside first. Let's see the rest of the things in the box. Okay, we'll remove this sensor first. It looks good. It is in the bean shape. It has this shiny face on the front side and a small little display and the small circular button. And the band has the logo of HRX on the back side. Let's put this sensor in this band. So I've put this sensor in the band, so it is ready to pair. Let's see the rest of the box contents. We have this charging cable which have this unusual shape where we need to insert this sensor into this for charging, and we have the user guide. So let's pair the band with the phone. So the first thing is that you need to download this MI Fit app, which is available for the App Store and Google Play Store as well. So I've already downloaded it. You need to log in using your MI account like I'm doing right now. So I'm logging into it. I need to fill the details, my height, weight, age, gender and all this thing, and you need to fill all the details correctly because it will be going to track your calories and all that thing. So the data should be genuine. I'll keep the target as 3000 steps initially, so as to show you what exactly the working is. So the app is set now. Now we need to pair the band with it. Okay, so allow it, Bluetooth. We need to activate the Bluetooth now. So it is searching for the band. It is taking a bit of a time. Yep, that's it, and the pairing is done. So as you can see, the charging of the band is displayed on the phone, that it is just about 8%. We have some different options here given. in this app. Screen unlock, incoming call, alarms, app alerts, idle alerts. These are the basic functions of this band. And then you can even change the font of the display of the band as well. As you can see, it is changed. Yeah, and it has came to default again. I'll check this options here. So the overall band looks good and it is good for use. So that's it. This is it. This is the MI band HRX edition. So thanks for watching and subscribe my channel to get such awesome videos. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get notified for future videos. Thank you.